Both thunder and lightning are incredible acts of nature that occur across the globe. The loud boom of thunder and the striking light produced by lightning can be seen now and again in our skies when we experience a storm. In this video, we will look at what thunder and lightning are and what their causes are. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to Fact Insane for more amazing content like this one. Number 1. How thunderstorms are formed. The thunderstorm occurs when there is an unstable atmosphere and where cold air meets hot air. The hot air rises and it reaches the cold air because of the diffusion caused by the temperature difference. The hot air rises, and as it reaches the colder air it forms water droplets. Sometimes these water droplets can freeze while moving around. This process is called convection. The continuous streams of hot air, cold air, and the moisture present in atmosphere forms a cloud, and if this happens with large amounts of air and moisture, thunderstorm forms. Number 2. What is lightning? Lightning is basically a bright flash of light in the sky, formed because of thunderstorm. When the thunderstorm gets hit by the continuous opposite streams of hot air and cold air, it gets opposite static charge on the opposite end of the cloud. When the static charge below the cloud gets attracted to a highly positive charge object or a grounding source, the lightning strike appears. Number 3. How thunderstorm sound forms. When the lightning appears in the sky, the molecule of air and water present on the path of lightning get immensely heated and get highly energized, because of which it start to push away the colder molecules near it with high acceleration. And it creates a thunderous sound echoing in the sky. The main reason for not hearing thunder at the same time as seeing lightning is that sound waves travel slower than light. Light waves travel at a faster speed, so we will see the flash before we hear the rumble. There is a myth that if you count the time between seeing the flash and hearing the rumble, you can tell how far away the storm is. However, this has been proven not to be an accurate way of measuring the distance between yourself and the storm. This technique can be used to estimate distance, but with a little more math than just counting. Number 5. Is lightning dangerous for us? One can argue that lightning is a dangerous phenomena, and I agree. But lightning is also very important for our environment and our atmosphere because it leads to formation of ozone, and we all know how important ozone is for our environment as it protects us from harmful UV rays. This process of ozone formation is an endothermic reaction as it requires the energy from the lightning to proceed in forward direction. Lightning is also important for our plants and crops because it provides nitrogen to the plants, which is an important element for producing the proteins. This process is known as nitrogen fixation. In nitrogen fixation, the strong bonded molecules of nitrogen breaks and it reacts with the oxygen in the atmosphere to form nitrogen dioxide. Formed molecules of nitrogen dioxide then reacts with the rainwater and forms the nitric acid, which then converts into various nitrates. These nitrates fall on the ground with the raindrops and seep into the soil to get absorbed by plants. If you like the video, support us by subscribing the channel. This is all for today. We will meet sometime soon.